everyone, it's Janet and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy makeup look on this look right here. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I do for this easy everyday makeup look is that I just go in and I take a little bit, well, first of all, I start out with some face primer. Oh, I'm a little sick, so don't mind me. I take some face primer and I put it all over my face. And I used to love, like, always, like, taking my time getting ready, and then just lately I've been just like, I just want to get out the door. So once I get that primer on, all smoothed on, I go in, and I don't always do this step, but for today's purposes, I'm gonna be doing it. So I'm taking my 100% pure BB cream in number 10. Take a little bit, actually that's not a little bit, that's a lot of it. I take a lot of it on the back of my hand and dab it on my face. And then I take, ooh, I forgot my name, come on down. And then I take my Real Technique sponge. It's already damp, I pre-dampened it. And then I blend it all in because we do not have forever to do our makeup. Today I just want to go out the door. Run out the door. Actually, for me, it's either sleep or makeup, and lately I've been choosing sleep. I love my sleep. I don't know who does it. The next step I do is I'll do some concealer, and I'm taking my Pacific Natural Minerals Transcendent Concentrated Correcting Concealer. That is a mouthful. I don't go all crazy like, you know, like some people. Actually, I guess I do a little crazy still. I used to go way crazier with my concealer. You know, like the beauty gurus, how they just like all over their face. I used to do that. I started to look at myself in natural light, and it didn't look that cute. I'm like, oh my gosh, I look cakey. But, you know, that's reality versus fantasy, I guess. Plus, it's not having, you know, I feel like fluorescent lighting kind of blurs yourself a little bit more than natural lighting. And I also try to do my makeup in natural lighting, just so I can see how much makeup I'm really putting on. I'm putting all my colors together. So I'm going to take my Honest Beauty blush in Truly Thrilling. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I know that you know, some people put blush after bronzer, but since this is a cream and I don't have a cream bronzer, I put the blush underneath. I know, it's a little different, but that is why there is no rules to makeup. I've been trying to switch out all my non-natural products, my beauty products, to natural and organic. My husband and I, we both eat natural and organic foods, so you know, it only made sense to have natural and organic beauty products, because there are a lot of toxins. I'm not trying to preach, but there are a lot of toxins in regular beauty products. This is not natural and organic, but I will use it anyways. In the Kat Von D translucent powder. Now, if you like a dewy look, I recommend not putting setting powder on because it's gonna make you a little bit more matte. I like to set my face because I don't like my makeup to move. After I'm done with my face powder, I will go in with my bronzer. Where is my bronzer? Ooh, okay, I found my bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with my Hans Skincare All Natural Bronzer. I just got this the other day, and this smells so good. And it's very affordable. I think it cost me $16 for this bronzer. And it's natural. Yeah, so I'll go with my bronzer. And since it's like, since we're trying to go out the door, we will just kind of slap that on. I actually use this as my eyeshadow too. Oh, by the way, the brushes I'm using, some of them are Real Techniques. Well, this isn't. This is BH Cosmetics, and my Real Techniques is my powder brush. And then I have an e.l.f. brush. I have all sorts of brushes. After that, I will take my Eco Tools brush. This actually came in a set of 2, and it's eye brushes. It was like an eye brush set, and it was like $5, $6. Well, after tax, it was like 6 something, but yeah, I love these. I used to use really expensive brushes like at Cosmetics, and I also had, they have eye brushes that are also a kit, and then it comes with the same amount of brushes, and that was $30. So I like this one better for the price, and it does pretty much the same thing. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, not the Real Techniques brush. The cosmetic brushes was a little bit softer, but this gets the job done. So after I'm done with that, everything looks good. And it will go in with some mascara. I like to do a little mascara before I do my brows. I like the mascara to dry a little bit before I add another coat. I know you're not supposed to do that, but it's makeup. You can do whatever you want. There are no rules. Here be outside. And I'll let some of that, you know, dry before I put it on another coat of mascara, because I found that, for me anyways, that makes it not as clumpy. So next I'm going to be taking my 100% pure, it's a little, I need another one, my 100% pure brow pomade in the color Blonde. I know my brows aren't blonde, but when I went to the store I had a match, and this was my match, blonde. It's so funny, I still remember when I bought this. I was looking for a brow pomade, and I went to the mall. I was gonna take myself into Sephora, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna walk into 100% Pure and see if they have a nice natural brow product. Yes, I went in there 2 years ago. I found this. I was a little skeptical because of, you know, you're a little skeptical of natural products because you're scared they're not gonna perform, you know, how you want them to. And this is by far, like, I have been using nothing but this product for the past 2 years. So, good job, 100% Pure. I'm trying to talk and like focus at the same time. So my camera ended up dying, and I finished my brows off camera while my battery was charging. So sorry. Next I'm going to be taking my Honest Beauty Midnight Reflection Luminizing Powder. Be throwing that on there. It's just a nice little glow. I'm also going to be taking another Honest Beauty product. It's a Truly Kissable Lip Crayon in the color, not this color, Sheer Blossom Kiss. I love these lip crayons because of how fast they are. So we are going to be finishing this makeup look. I'm going to be spritzing my face. I actually make this myself. It's rose water, water, and vegetable glycerin. It's a lot cheaper than buying facial sprays, and it's all organic. Yes, that finishes up this makeup look. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!